about this college and I'm going to blow it up.
What is going on everyone, welcome back to another Seif Tech Up video. In this video I'll show you how to create Mrbeast Captions in Capcut. It's very easy and simple, and the reason you want to put captions in your videos is because A, it grabs the viewer attention, making them want to watch the video until the end, which is very good for your retention, and B, because sometimes the viewer doesn't have access to their headphone or headset. Maybe they are about to sleep or something, and so they want to watch videos without audio. So if you have captions in your videos, you'll definitely reach more audience. Alright, so let's start. First thing, you wanna open Capcut, obviously, and open any project. Now go to the text and auto captions, choose English and create. And while it is creating, let's go ahead and download Mrbeast font, which is called Komika Access. I will leave the download link in the description, or search for it if you want. So as you can see, we downloaded the font. Obviously after you install it like that, it's very easy and simple. Just click install. I already have it, so I don't need that. So here we go, speech recognized. We have tons of templates, and I didn't show it to you yet. Here it is. So we are on the default font. You're gonna wanna go to font and choose the Komika Access that we just installed. So this is the Mrbeast font. You'll have to put a stroke and play with the thickness how you like it. Very sus. If you're creating short videos like 9 to 16, you're gonna wanna obviously adjust the size and probably choose another template like this one, which is better in my opinion. So this is another thing, it is definitely not accurate. You will have to check for it. I definitely didn't say we've got our guts at horseshit. It's literally calling my friend whose name is Khorshit, they are calling him horse shit. So I'm coming after you, Capcut. I'm going to sue you. So that's it. You'll have to manually check for all of the words that it just generated. It's at its first chest. And another thing is definitely you'll have to put your commas and dots, and play with the capitalization because it doesn't capitalize. We are going. So yeah, that's all of these things I wanted to point out. So that was it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for future videos that will be about how to create YouTubers style edit. I'm going to do more of those, so make sure to subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching, and as you can see, I'm back to my old setup. If any of you did watch my past videos, I'm sorry for you if you did.